your dreams. She's the pizza joint's mascot, the supreme. Tickle her chin, but don't you dare push. She's not your lap cat, you'll end in the bush. Pie the cat, she's fatter than most, friendlier than all, she'll steal your toast. Company for your party, always around, but mess with Pie and your pizza bound. She's big, she's broad, with a confident strut. In the corner she naps like she owns the hut. She greets with a purr, a tail held high, but beware of her claws. She slice, slice, slice